You are watching tomorrow's classrooms today. Lesson 11, Mastering Noun-Pronoun Agreement for Clear Communication. Noun-pronoun agreement is a crucial component of grammar that ensures clarity and coherence in both written and spoken English. It involves ensuring that pronouns correspond with their antecedents in number and gender. This lesson provides educators and students with the essential knowledge needed to master this grammatical concept. A pronoun must agree with its antecedent in number. The antecedent is the noun or indefinite pronoun that the pronoun replaces, and the referent is the pronoun itself. If the antecedent is a singular noun, the referent must also be singular. For example, the teacher gave his instructions. The teacher is singular, therefore, his is also singular. If the antecedent is plural noun, the referent must be plural. For example, the teachers gave their instructions. The teachers is plural, hence, there is also plural. If the antecedent is a singular indefinite pronoun, the referent must also be singular. For example, everyone is enjoying their meal. Although everyone is singular, the plural pronoun there is used for gender neutrality. If the antecedent is plural indefinite pronoun, the referent should be plural. For example, many have expressed their opinions on the matter. Many is plural, thus there is also plural. Secondly, a pronoun must agree with its antecedent in gender. If the antecedent is masculine, the referent must be masculine. For example, Alex forgot his jacket. Here, Alex is masculine, therefore, his corresponds in gender. If the antecedent is feminine, the referent must be feminine. For example, Sarah forgot her jacket. Sarah is feminine, hence, her matches in gender. If the antecedent is neuter, the referent must be neuter. For example, the cat ate its food. The cat is neuter, therefore, its is appropriate. Avoid ambiguous pronouns that lack a clear antecedent. Pronouns should distinctly refer back to specific nouns to avoid confusion. For example, Michael gave Stephen his book. This sentence could imply that Michael gave one of his own books to Stephen, or that he returned a book belonging to Stephen. To clarify, rewrite the sentence as Michael gave his book to Stephen, where his clearly refers to Michael. Another example, when Joanne and Amy saw her, she smiled. This sentence is unclear. Who is her? Who smiled? A clearer construction is when Joanne saw Amy, Amy smiled at her. By understanding and applying these rules, both students and teachers can achieve clarity and precision in English communication. Subscribe to this channel for more grammar lessons. If you find this video helpful, please like and share it with friends. Do not hesitate to comment below with any questions or topics you would like us to cover next. Let's master English grammar together.